Hello, everyone. I'm hopeful that you all are doing good in these pandemic times. I know life has been very difficult, but we have to move on and we have to take care of ourselves. So, today we are going to discuss about the aims of social work. But before moving ahead, I have tried to come up with certain words which are related to aims, like objectives, goals, purpose, motives, ends, and many other. So, do not get confused if you are being asked that what are the objectives of social work, what are the goals of social work, or the purpose behind social work. These words means same. So, we can say that aim is a effort or efforts which are directed towards attainment or accomplishing something. Here, I have written in the slide general and specific. These are two different words again, which predicts that aims could be general or aims could be specific. So, in context of social work, what is the general aim of social work? Or what are the specific objectives of social work? So, firstly, we'll try to get a general aim of social work. We have already studied that social work is a process, or we can say it's a service, or working with people with a view to help themselves. Okay, so in this context, we can say that the general aim of social work is the all round development of individual, group, or community through motivation and social interaction. Here, two words motivation and social interaction are very important. Important in the sense that when a person is in problem and he approaches a social worker or any particular institution for assistance or for help, then that particular social worker or that particular institution would be establishing a relationship with the person in problem. So, interaction is being sought, but with a motivational background. So, both these things go together when a social worker tries to help a person. Moving ahead, let's talk about the specific aims of social work. The very first objective of social work is simple, that is to help people. Now, how to help people and why to help people is a different thing. But helping in what sense? That is, help people to increase their coping mechanism, okay? To increase their adjustment with their problematic conditions, to help them to solve their problems, to enlarge their capabilities and their competence, besides, to obtain resources. Secondly, the aim of social work is to facilitate interactions. Now, interactions between individuals and the other in his environment, to facilitate coordination and integration among people, obviously for better living. Now, in this aim, let me make something clear that where a person lives, his conditions, his circumstances, and his relationship with the other people all are very important to study because in social work, when a person is being under study, he is being studied in relation to his circumstances, in relation to the prevailing condition in which he is living. Why? Because from where the problem arises, the solutions also lies there only. Okay? Now, moving ahead, we can say Social work aims to influence the interactions between different organizations and institutions for the welfare of a person or a group or a community at large. It also influences social and environmental policies which are being framed by different governments of the world for the welfare of the people from time to time. Another important specific aim of social work is to make different organizations or institutions responsible to people. Next is to focus on the wholeness and totality of the person. Here again, I would like to elaborate the aim, that is, social work focus on a person holistically. That is, when he is studying a person or establishing a rapport with a person in problem, he will try to study that person at individual level. Then moving ahead, he'll be studying that person at social level, at psychological level, at political level, and at different levels so that he can come up to a solution. He can come up to conclude that what kind of solution can be suggested to that particular person who is in problem. Lastly, we can also say that social work aims to develop a familiar relationship and an emotional attachment with people. This is quite simple that when we tries to establish a relationship with someone, we always touches that person at emotional level. And when a person is emotionally attached, there builds a strong relationship. And with that relationship, both the person come to a platform where one tries to solve the problem of the people or the person, and the other one, who is the recipient, tries to attain that position where he can solve his problem himself. Further, we can say that the goal of social work is to reconcile the well being of the individuals with the welfare of society in which they live. I think I have made myself clear in this presentation, and I am also waiting for your feedback so that I can improve at my end. Do take care of yourself. Thank you.